We're good. We are good. My friends, welcome. Yo, yo. Are we good there? I'm just double checking. Yeah, it came up saying there was an issue. Are we good? Yes, sweet. Can you hear me all good, guys? Can you hear me all good on the TikTok? Is the mic clean? And then we'll get going. Yo, bro, how's it going, guys? Hi, Joe, yo. Welcome. Jacko, Lee, Thin, MK. Thanks, mate. Yo, good to see you. Yeah, all good both, bro. Legend. Cheers, Jacko, man. Thanks for checking. All good, yes. Perfect. Cheers, guys. NBA legend. Good to see you. Nico, welcome. Yeah, let's get going, guys. Let's finish the week strong. It's been an amazing week slash first 2 weeks of the month. We've had some very nice payouts. I've just requested another one this morning. We're just under $6,000 for August. So to be honest with you, next week, the plan is to try and get over, say, 10K next week. So 4K next week would be nice. And then maybe we can hit that 20K month again. But like I said, there's no rush. We'll see what the market gives us and go from there. But welcome all. Good to see you all. We'll get breaking down in a second. I'll wait for a few more to get in, then we'll get going. Yo, MK, welcome, bro. Trickster, welcome. Yo, Ollie, welcome, man. Thin's here. Good to see you. Top 1,000 on gold push. Thanks for your strategy, legend. Good work. Yeah, I'm going to get breaking down. I'll wait for a few more to get in. We've got 40 on the YouTube and 30 on the TikTok. I'll wait for a few more to get in on TikTok. It takes like 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes for like people to get in, then we'll start breaking down. I think gold and Nasdaq are both looking good here, to be honest with you. I like gold and Nasdaq. All right, anyway, guys, I'm gonna get going with the breakdown. So if I don't reply to any of your messages, I'm just doing the breakdown for everyone. If you put a question in, I will see it after we break down. So let's start on Nasdaq here, because I'm actually interested in Nasdaq. Okay, I'm actually interested in Nasdaq. Nasdaq's looking pretty clean. We've got some resistance up here. You can see, look at what price is doing. Resistance, price acting as resistance here. Same targets to the downside as well. Look at this. We've got, or not targets, same levels to the downside. You've got resistance, acting as support. This is the range for now. Okay, this is literally the range and how simple it needs to be. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Okay, I've got my range. What I would like to see, Nasdaq hasn't got many targets above. That is as clear as days to me. There's not much to trade into above with Nasdaq. But what I do see potential is some sells if we reject the levels or break below. That's exactly what I'm going to be looking for. So maybe if we get a 15 rejection or a 15 breakout, I can take some sells. All right. That is basically what I'm looking for on Nasdaq. I do like Nasdaq here. Gold is looking decent too. Gold has got some resistance and support. All I can really do on gold is just wait for this candle closure. We have created a little pullback here, and we have actually created some decent targets to trade into above. So maybe we can take some cheeky buys from this level at low risk. Like I say, it's not the best range that has formed. But if we can close bullish or even better back above this resistance, I might try some buys. So that is basically it for me, guys. That's basically it. We got to wait for this 15 closure to see if we got an entry coming. Yeah, it's been a good week on stream. We've taken like 2 or 3 wins. Yeah, we've taken a few wins, to be fair. Other than Lucid, what other good prop firm futures are there? Wow, there's so many, man. You've got Traderify, Top Step, Lucid, Blue Guardian futures, literally Take Profit Trader, Futures Funding Family. There's literally so many with the same rules and same. I just love Lucid, but I wish they would give me my account back. I wish they'd give me AJ, how's it going, man? Alex, happy Friday, brother. Happy Friday to you too, man. Yeah, guys, Friday. I tell you what, these weeks are going quick, right? I'll tell you something. Since I started trading and since I've been doing something, obviously with trading, I love trading, right? Since I started trading full time and, this being my full time income, the weeks just got insanely quick. Like, I wake up and I love doing what I do. So they just go quick, right? So it's not a bad thing, but I mean, it's Monday to Friday in like an hour. It feels like an hour. It literally feels like an hour. Let's see how this 15 closes. I might try continuation buys here if we close bullish. If we can close bullish, buys are looking decent. Probably into that double top up there. Yeah, it looks pretty sick. Pretty sick, pretty clean. Let's see anyway. Let's see how the 15 closes. What strategy do I use? I use breakouts and rejections, man. Yeah, just simple breakouts and simple rejections. Have you taken a trade today? No, man. The only thing I've taken today is a payout. I've taken a $735 payout. Small payout, nothing crazy. But one of my accounts were ready. It would have been a 1.5k payout. It would actually have been 2.5k because I had my other accounts which I haven't got back yet, which is annoying. But yeah, it would have been like a 2.5k payout if I had my other accounts back. But I can't complain. 750 is fine. It took me like 2 to 3 days to get it. Do you know what's crazy? Like, I used to think like $1,000 payout were huge, and it is when you first start getting profitable. And it is when you first start getting profitable. Like $1,000, that's what you should aim for. If you can get like anywhere from $0 to $2,000 a month, and you can start building consistency on that, that's amazing. That's what you're going to see. And at the start of my sort of profitable stage, I was doing that anywhere from 1 to 3k a month. But like when you hit like 15 to 20k months, like a $750 payout's like, come on, bro. Like, let's hit like a 5k payout. Because you know what you can do. You know the levels that you've got to, and you want to sort of stay on them levels, But like I say, I'm not attached to it. The markets give me that, I'm going to take it. How does my strategy work? Basically, keeping it simple, I find a range in the market like this, and I wait for breakouts and rejections of that level, of them levels. That's a very messy drawing, but yeah. I literally just find a range, trade the breakouts or trade the rejections. But you can't just say, oh, Joe trades breakouts, I'm going to start trading breakouts. No, because you need to know the rules. Like some trades I will miss, some breakouts I will miss, some rejections I'll miss. And that's because I've got a rule set, right? And most people don't understand the rules. Like you can stick around and you can start learning them, little bits and little tips and tricks. Little tips, little tips. But it's Friday, guys. Let's just have a little bit of a relaxing stream. We've done well. It's, we're literally like 14 days into the month and we've hit $6,000. That's like 2 times as much as I used to make in my 9 to 5, and I've done it in 2 weeks. That's 2 months. 2 months of my old 9 to 5, and I've done that in 2 weeks. Probably more, to be honest. But yeah, just like, let's finish the week strong. Yo, what's up, Simon? Welcome, my friends. But yeah, can we hit 20k? Maybe we'll do another 20k a month. I'll have to have a good like last 2 weeks of the month. We'll have to do like $14,000 in 2 weeks, but it's definitely possible. Definitely possible. NQ looking good. Yeah, NQ doesn't look bad. Let's have a look at. Let's get back on NQ. I'd like NQ to reject this level and I can sell it. I like sells into this double bottom here. I think if we can close bearish now, I'm gonna try selling. I think that's pretty good. How much is my mentorship? It depends what you need, man. There's not just one price. There's different offers. Have you applied for the mentorship? Have you applied for it? Because if you've applied, we'll be in touch with you, bro, and we can have a chat and see what the best fit for you is. Because like some people need or want the one-to-one offer, some people don't, And the only way to understand is to apply. I'll put the link here for you. That's the type form. I've just put it in the chat. Anybody on the YouTube, you can click that link and you can apply. And yeah, we'll be in touch with you, man. Or anybody who wants to apply. Guys on TikTok, links in the TikTok bio to apply for the mentorship. Yeah, if we close bearish here, I'm going to sell this. Really, I really am going to sell this. Honestly. Are we logged into our account here? Yeah, we've got, look at that balance now, guys. We need another 2K and we've got a good payout there as well. 2 more thousand and we can probably take like $1,000 from this account. That'll help if we can get this over the line as well. Let's say that we make another 2.5K on this. That will be another like over $1,000 payout. And then we've got the Blue Guardian ones, the Take Profit Trader accounts, the other Lucid accounts, the Traderify accounts. I think we can do a good 15K this month, but we'll see. Andy, just go and reapply, brother. Go and reapply because, like, yeah, go and apply again, man. How many months or years have I been trading? I've been trading 8 years, man. I've been trading 8 years. Gold looking to break out. Yeah, gold looks good. They both look good. Let's see what looks better. Let's see what takes, let's see what's valid on the breakout. What do I think of Bill's trading? I'm not going to be the guy to tell you what I think because I don't really know enough. But if there's people flexing and acting silly online, they're doing it for clicks. And have a look what their aim is. Are they getting you into it? Like, I don't know what he does. Does he do signals? Does he try to get you into a signal group? If so, probably not legit. But that's not me to say. I haven't looked into it. I haven't tried trading that way or trading with them. Like, I don't know. Does he do signals? Does he get you into a group? Does he do clicky content stuff? Does he have... I don't know. I don't know. Is he, like, making content about Lambos and all that garbage? Because if it is, and it's all clicky stuff, and then he tries to get you into a signal group, then yeah, it's BS. Telegram group. I don't know. I don't know. End of the day, you need to understand, like, if there's someone, right, guys, the easiest way to understand if someone's like a scam and legit, seriously, if they create content that is literally to grab attention, for example, clicky, acting silly, or like LARPing, for example, like with Lambos and watches and this lifestyle, and they get you into a signal group, 99% they're not genuine, and you're not going to make money. Oh, Woody, how much have you made with him in the last 6 months? Bro, let me know. How much? Mehmet, drop me a DM, brother. I'll send you the name of it. I don't say it on here. I can't say it on here. Yeah, I'm just asking, like, if it's genuine, like, how much have you made? In 6 rubby. Right, drop me a DM and show me. Simple as that. Drop me a DM and show me. 121K. Funny. TikTok chats are so funny. Just go. Look at gold. I like Nasdaq. I like Nasdaq better. I'm gonna take Nasdaq sells, I think. Cheers, Woody. Yeah, they haven't. I don't comment, but I watch you and Bills are the only two I make profitable trades with. Nice, man. Nice. Awesome. Yeah, man. I don't know about I don't know about anybody. I don't, to be honest with you, I don't 100% know who you're talking about, but yeah. Yeah, cheers for the likes, guys. Smash the thumbs up on YouTube and TikTok, guys. Yeah, let me get onto MNQ here. I'm gonna try and take these sells. Nice little top wick. Nice little top wick and sell down. Let me get the sell stop. We will do how many micros? 6 maybe? 6 micros? That's not bad. We've come up, taken some highs. Try and take these sells down. We took some sells yesterday and it smashed TP. How many ticks did that end up pushing yesterday? Did we hit like 1,000 ticks or something? 800 ticks we hit. I'll put this order in a second. Is this trading view? Yeah, it is, man. Yeah, I'm gonna put this order in. First 15 closure. Yeah, I might have to manage this quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little risky sell here, guys, based off of the 15 closure. I'm only gonna have a tight stop here. This could wick me in and out very quickly. Just keep that in mind. This could take me in and out very quickly because I'm gonna have a tight stop. But I'm up for the risk. What's the stop loss here? Oh my god, my stop loss is literally like $100. Let's have it a bit higher. Similar trade to yesterday's, to be honest. Similar trade to yesterday's. But I'm kind of trying to sell it into these lows. Yeah, the risk to reward's nothing. 6 micros, like $100 risk. Wow. I don't really want to risk any more, to be honest with you. How many pips do I aim for? I don't aim for ticks, man. I trade the market, if that makes sense. Yeah, I trade the market. I'm watching your stream from India. Nice one, man. Yeah, we took. Let me show you the trade we took yesterday on stream. So we entered. Where are we on gold? We took sells here. Look, we took sells here on gold yesterday, and this hit how many ticks? Like 350 ticks. That smashed TP. It's the same idea of the trade I've just entered, right? So this hit TP. The trade I'm taking here on MNQ is basically just the same idea. Ugh. Well, I can't say I'm a trading. This is a. Why is it so low risk? I can risk a bit more on this. Try and give it a bit of room. This is a 50k account, man. Yeah, the risk, the 6 micros is nothing today. The ranges aren't that big. How many pips is that? Yeah, 47 points. Nowhere near as big. Yeah, I probably will scale in more, but I'm just going to let this run, I think. I mean, we've got a decent little entry here, so let's see if we can just melt. This might be, I might need to try this a few times. I might need to, the 15 might not drop, but the 30 might close bearish and drop. So, yeah. Yeah, let's I'm gonna trail my stop loss here, so it's literally nothing if we take the L. It'd be like $100 or something. Well, not even that, like $70 or something. Right, yeah, I'm gonna let it play with this SL here. If this reflips bullish and starts pushing, we can just wait for the 30 to close and take that. But yeah, that's the trade for me. I'm just gonna let this run with a bit of room. Let me get a drink. I'll be back. I'll probably take 2 off here. I'm gonna set a buy limit there for 2. And what's that? Just like a 1-to-1 and then let the rest run down. You manage it how you want, guys. I'm managing this based on how I want to. You take whatever. Yeah, we got some US volume kicking in as well. Can we see the melt on US? Can we get sells 2 times in a little risky? Yeah, this is a risky trade. This is a risky trade. We call it full risk Fridays. It's full risk Fridays for a reason. Bullish trend on NQ. I don't trade trends, man. Could pop up, but it could also pop down, right? You back in the UK? Nah, man. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shave 2 off here. I don't like this pre-US. Yeah, right. Go on, take it out. I'm shaving 2 off here. If it even gonna hit. Right, yeah, we've got 2 running now. 4 running now. We're coming into the US, so if we're gonna see volume, we could get spiked out here. So just let it. I'm just gonna let it run like that now. Missed the party, have I? Maybe not, man. We've got 9 minutes and US volume's gonna kick in, so we could get spiked. The market seems to be a bit strange. Yeah, man. That just use low risk then. Time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame, man. I still like sells. I still like sells. Try and push this down with the US volume. That might be nice. 30 looks really nice to keep pushing. What's the 4 hour look like? 4 hours rejecting as well. Yeah, see if this wants to push. Let's have a look at gold. Let's have a quick look at gold. Gold could break out here. 30 looks nice on gold. 30 looks nice on gold for buys. I think if the 30 closes bullish on gold, buys are looking good for an entry there. You know, you're breaking out of this mini range to continue higher here. Yeah, cheers for follows, guys. Make sure you're following over. Make sure you follow the TikTok. Let's go. Let's have a look at MNQ. A little bit of drawdown. Hopefully can stay in for another 7 minutes. That's why I'm sort of extending my stop loss a little bit, because if the US volume is going to kick in, it could be the push that we need to push down. Normally I would have a tight stop if it was pushing already. Like if this re-breaks the low, I'm definitely trailing stop. Yeah, we're trailing stop here, guys. Stops are getting trailed no matter what here. This really shouldn't reflip bullish. If anything, I would expect Nasdaq to push into this level now. If it doesn't, it's probably going to continue bullish. Yeah, it's probably going to continue bullish. I would, to be honest with you, if we get hit here for a stop loss, we'll probably break even on the trade overall. Like -10 or something. No good today. This is my first trade I've taken today. Literally my first trade. Because we've had a decent week, so there's no need to. Like yesterday we made like $1,000 on stream or something across like 3 accounts. Have you tried volume, brother? No, I haven't. I don't trade volume. Yeah, this is probably going to hit the trailed stop loss, to be honest. This is probably going to hit the trailed SL. Hopefully, New York Volume can step in and we can just push. I think if we yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at that. This is what you want. You want this to sort of push in your favor. You want this to push in your favor, kind of. I mean, if you've got the New York Volume on your side, like, we kind of have a little bit here so far. I don't like to speak too soon, but yeah. How's it going, bro? Ashton, good to see you, man. Yeah, I'm risking, like, this is basically break even. I took 2 off at profit and trailed my stop loss here. Why on 3 accounts? Because I linked multiple accounts, bro. I mean, I know Nasdaq wants to push and take liquidity to the downside. It's just a matter of when. Just drop, man. Just drop. Don't be a little. Don't be a Friday. Ugh. Don't ruin our week. I'm joking. Don't ruin the Friday. I think if we can come into this level, it's a good break even area. Break even around there. What trade copier? Trade Sinker and Trade C. Just sell off, my brother. All right, yeah, all right, guys. I'm gonna go break even now. I'm break even on this trade. We've got some good volume. What stepped in on New York? I don't really want to take an L here. I think if the 15 can keep pushing down, great. If it reflip, actually, we'll trail it to the reflip bullish. That's a good plan. We'll trail the stop loss there, and just let this run. There we go. There we go. Yeah, let's see if we can melt. New York melts. Coming to a decent level there. Wow, look at this. Look at this volume. Crazy. Friday New York session volume pre-NY. This is why we trail. You're going to see a lot of this. This could get wicked out very, very quickly. Very, very quickly. I can see that happening. But like I said, I don't want to be in the trade if we're going to wick about near entry. It's just pointless. It's not the best bet. US session on Joe's side today, yeah. Yeah, I've trailed it with a buy stop, man. If it hits that buy stop, that blue level, I'll get taken out for break even. Guys, you can apply for the mentorship to learn the profitable system. Link in the TikTok bio. Click the link in the TikTok bio. Go and apply. It literally takes like 30 seconds to apply. And we'll be in touch with you when you have applied, okay? Guys on the YouTube, I will put the type form here for you all. You've done it? Nice. You've applied. Go on. Applied for it today? Go on, my friend. We'll be in touch with you. We'll be in touch with you. Get out, bro. I'm at break even, man. Just relax. Your psychology seems worse than mine, and I'm in the trade. You've taken half off. Nice. Yo, Jai, welcome, bro. Have you tried not being greedy? What do you mean? Your stop isn't even at BE, it's below it. No, actually, bro, it's above it. This is above the entry. This is not, but this here is below. Here we go. There you go. This is above, my friend. Below, above, below, above. Right there. Look, we're out. Break even. Done. We haven't received anything through. Yeah, just wait, bro. We'll be in touch with you, man. We've got a team who'll look at your application. All good. Surely rage bait. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I mean, I don't need to. Yeah, that's exactly why we went break even, guys. It's a W trade, beautiful trade to the plan. Just US volume for you. Yeah, that's exactly what happened, bro. Good knowledge there, man. Yeah, so look at this, guys. So let's say put it this way. Let's say I'm in a sell position, right? Let's say I'm in a sell position like here. And let's say price moves into profit, and here I'm up $100. Let's say I take $50 profit from here and move right? I've taken $100 profit here. So because I've taken $100 profit, all I did then was move my stop loss to negative 100. So because I've taken 100 off, and this is negative 100 now, if this hits up here, it's a break-even trade. Yeah, it's pretty simple stuff, but for some people, like, it's hard to understand, right? Yeah, that I don't even want to touch Nasdaq. Let's have a look at Goldie. Did the gold break out? Yeah, gold broke out. Yeah, gold broke out nicely. Nasdaq, the potential on Nasdaq's still there, but I'd need a break below this level now. I need below this level. Yo, guys, cheers for the thumbs up on the YouTube. Let's hit 50 thumbs up, 50 likes, guys. Let's crush it. We need 24 more. We've got 110 on the YT on the YouTube. Went too fast for any type of entry. Yeah, man. I like Nasdaq better today, even though it just took me BE. Then I like Nasdaq better today. There's better targets at either side. Look at that. Joe, why do you go break even on Nasdaq pre US Open? Well, this. It would have spiked me out for a loss. Literally would have spiked me out for a loss and reversed. Let's see. Yeah, if we can get a break below here, I'm looking for sells. Break below here, I'm looking for sells now. You need $3 for a payout. Oof. Go and crush it, man. Get your payout, brother. Go and get your payout. You deserve it, man. Oh, you bugger. Look at Nasdaq. Guys, just stick it in the chat. Put a thumbs up or a W in the chat if you're still holding this position. Because I envy you. W I held. Thanks, bro. W nice. Ooh, that is disgusting. And gold's pushing as well. Yeah, I took break even on this, guys. Break even. Like I say, that liquidity, which I said that the market had to go and take out, it is taking it beautifully. Beautifully. Do I have a signal group? No, I don't have a signal group, but I've got a one-to-one mentorship and a group coaching mentorship that actually gets you consistently profitable and teaches you a skill that you can literally use forever. Not just for a couple of weeks where you're going to blow your account with signals. Literally forever, man. You can go and apply to join, and you can get on with me and change your trading and become profitable, man. Learn this. Wow, TP smash there. That's annoying. That's annoying. Mm-mm. You are always right where the market wants to go. Yeah, man. Joe's strategy's goated. Legend, bro. I mean, we've caught some beautiful entries today, this week, haven't we? I think this could. I really think this pushes down more. Look at this liquidity down here. I think this is just gonna melt. I really do. This liquidity down here is too good not to be taken. Look at this as well. Look at this. Simple as this. Price pops up to the left. Look at this here. Takes liquidity. What does it do after it takes liquidity? Oh, it pushes down and takes liquidity. This could easily just drop now. Easily. Yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribed on the YouTube and following on my TikTok. Get it done. Yeah, also, if you want to use my code and obviously support the stream with Lucid or Tradeify, if you want a Tradeify account, use JTC. If you want a Lucid trading account, use JTC. Like I say, I appreciate if you use my code. You don't have to, but I appreciate it. It's thanks for the support. But yeah, anybody who wants a Lucid or Tradeify account, code JTC will get you the best discount on both. Okay, guys, I appreciate you. What? Yeah, you just gotta smile. You gotta smile, guys. Guys, right? Can I just say something? I've been training for 8 years now. 8 years. I get excited when this happens. This excites me. I don't get FOMO. It excites me because I know that, okay, this has happened now. My next two trades or my next three trades are going to be just as good as this, and they're going to be to my plan. And that's what's going to keep me long term profitable. I don't care that I took break even on this. I don't care that the US session did this. Break even, push down. All I care about is sticking to my plan now. And yeah, this is one of the reasons why I've been sticking to the US session mainly now. London doesn't do this. Really. London has stopped doing this recently. Currently got 6 accounts with JTC, legend. I bought like 10 accounts with your code because you keep it real, legend, man. I appreciate it, guys. Seriously, like we jump on here for free, don't we? We take banging trades every week. I mean, if you support the stream and use the stream code, you know, legends. Mm-mm. How long until I go to America? I go on the 7th, so no. Yeah, 6th. Like 3 weeks. 3.5 weeks. Only what I'm waiting for now is a 30-minute closure. 30-minute closure and then selling down. Where am I going? I am going to Los Angeles, I am going to San Diego, and then I'm going to New Orleans, and then I am going to Miami. Texas as well. Texas as well. That's what you do when you make 20K a month with prop firms, right? You just go and travel America for 2.5 weeks. Look at gold, it's pushing. Gold might be nice, but wow, look at that. Wow. Like, brother, literally, we said 30-minute breakout. You can buy the 30 breakout, and there's literally people overcomplicating it and saying trading's hard. Like, there's people out there saying trading's difficult. My I don't even have a 3-year-old. I was gonna say my 3-year-old niece, but I don't even have one. Let's just say I have a 3-year-old niece. She could literally analyze my chart. Let's say I've got a 3-year-old niece. She could literally analyze my chart, all right? Mm. Yeah, I'm waiting for this. Guys, I'm gonna watch this 30 closure, and then if I can wick fill, I can sell wick fill. If not, I'm done for the week. It'd have been nice to have taken like a good $1,000 there, to be fair. Yeah, let's stay on MNQ here because I'm gonna try to take wick fill. Take another sell potentially on wick fill, and then that'll be me done. That'll be me done. That was the trade though. Look at that. Literally start of the down move. Start of the down move. Mm. You don't like the 15 for a wick fill? 15, let's have a look. 15, yeah, 15 might be nice, but I think the 15, the reason I say the 30 is because the 15 is literally taking all them lows. So 30 wick fill's more likely not to close taking liquidity. Yeah, I've got after this, I've got a 1-to-1 to do, and then I'm gonna go out and get some food. I'm gonna go to a restaurant. Now's 1 hour wick fill. I'm gonna be looking for the 30 wick fill, to be honest. 30, it'd be yeah, 30 hourly wick fill. Take the wick fill and then sell into them lows. Has everyone taken the W? Wow, I think everyone's just taken it and dipped. Maybe I just dip as well. Seems like everyone's just dipping. Yeah, I did, man. I did. Everyone's pipping and dipping. Everyone's just using me for the dips. Yeah, literally, literally. As soon as you take a win, everyone's like, right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gone. Like, we went from 110 to 84 on YouTube, and from 170 to 90 on TikTok. Everyone's like, right, I'm done for the week now. I've taken the W. I've used Joe. He's done. Joe's old. Joe's old news. I'm only joking, guys. Real ones are still here. Yeah, the real dubs are still here. The real boys. Yeah, it always happens. I don't expect anything other than a pip and dip. I expect it on TikTok. I don't expect it on the YouTube. I expect it on tickers, not YouTube. I'm only joking, guys. Do what you want. If you want to stay, stay. If you want to go, go. It's all good. Who study you trading? Who study you trading? Do we take buys here? Do I take a buy? Maybe a buy. What is going on? Ooh, go away. Still here, brother. Yo, good to see you, man. Not going anywhere, go. Yo. Going nowhere, go. Nice one. Yeah, gold is old news. Yeah, we're going to take a buy there. I actually was. I couldn't get my MNQ up. That'd have been nice. Yo, guys on the TikTok, guys on my TikTok, go onto my most recent video and save that video and watch that video every single Sunday, maybe every single Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every single day. Save it and watch it before you start your trading session. All right. I've been big Benjamin today with these wickets. Been trying to catch you daily, here to learn. Legend. Good work. Good work. Go on, Osama, lad. Go on, my friend. Yeah, we've actually created a clean range here on Nasdaq. Yeah, we'll stay on. We'll stay on for this 15 closure. 15 could close below this range and I can take sells. So if we get a closure like this, I'm going to sell here into these lows for a quick 40, 50 points and be done for the day. That'd be nice. Now making money for your mentorship. Go on, lad. See you in there soon then. Yeah, last 15. This is going to be my last candle of the week, guys, because I've got a one-to-one to head on in 45 minutes and then I'm going out for something to eat. Has my payout been processed yet? That is the question. Let's have a look on Lucid. Has it been approved? To be honest with you, I don't expect it to be approved with how busy they will be with the outage thing. Oh my god, it's been approved already. Wow, payout sent. Look at that. That's sick. Legends. Bang, payout sent. I literally requested it like 2 hours ago. Payout approved, payout sent. Wow, it's already in my account. Sick. W Lucid. Drinks on Joe. Steak. Steak dinner on Joe tonight. I have a feeling prop firms are actually starting to hate me. I have a little feeling that they're starting to see the levels and they're like, okay, let's keep an eye on this. Let's archive, not archive. Let's put a star next to this guy. It's all good. There's no See, that's the thing. I'm thinking to myself, I'm doing a $500,000 in prop firm. Right, I'm doing $500,000 in prop firm payouts challenge. What if like 3 prop firms like limit how much I can make, which they do? What if it gets more difficult to even to get it? Like, would I just go to personal and finish it off on a personal account? I don't know. But it's the series like a prop firm series. We'll see. I think I'll be fine. I think people have bet more than 500,000 with prop firms. And there's always more prop firms coming out, isn't there? So we're cool. I'm gonna make 500K in prop firms. Prop firms like, nah, bro. Yeah, literally. Like, nah, no, you're not. No, you're not. Right, yeah, 15 closure here. I'm going to look for some sells. See if we can take two wins today. See if we can get 2 Ws. Yo, MK. Is that MK? Or is that a different MK? I don't know if that's the same MK or a different one. Is that the MK? Yeah, so liquidity's here now. Liquidity's there. Let's see if we can get a good break below here and then I can sell this. What the manipulation's crazy right now. Like absolutely crazy. Like it's just like look at this. It's taking people in above the range, taking people in below the range and chopping them about. Like the reason I trade ranges is for this reason. That is literally the reason I trade ranges. And you can see the manipulation. Look, people thinking it's breaking out, they're buying, they're getting chopped back in the range. People here with sell stops below the range, bang, taken in, taken out in one candle. This is why I trade closes and candle closes outside the range because it's less likely of being wicked in and out, just like you've seen here, 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 and potentially in a minute here. So this is why I trade closes and wait for liquidity to be taken. You know, if price pushes up, grabs liquidity outside the range, you're more likely to reverse because liquidity's been taken. Simple as that. Simple as that. Jojo, yo, Dre, man. What's my win rate? Probably like a 1 to 1.5. So I'll put it on the screen for you. It looks something like my average looks something like this. So let's say I take a buy here. Yeah, just like a 1 to 1.4, 1 to 1.5. But my win rate's like 75%. Is this Nas? Yeah, gold's on one. Gold's doing nothing. Nothing of interest. I'm gonna give this like 3 or 4 minutes. If it looks like we're not gonna break below, I'm gonna head off. Yo, Dre, yeah, I'll get back to you, man. I'll get back to you today, brother. Oh, Tucker, how's your week been? Are you up overall? Nice. Yeah, no problem, man. Good to see you as well, bro. Good to see you. Past 100 trades, what's been your record? What do you mean my record, man? Record month, record trades, biggest loss, biggest win? Like what record, man? Go on, Tucker, bro. Legend. Go on, my friend. My win rate is 75%, man. It doesn't change. It doesn't really drastically change, man. Like 2 months ago, I had a win rate of 84%, which was insane. And the win to like my average win was like 1.83 risk to reward. Yeah. That was like 2 months ago. And that month I only took like 8K in payouts. So win rate doesn't mean anything. Risk to reward doesn't mean anything, I mean. Yeah. Oh, guys, let me just mute this. Yo. Standard procedures, man. Many of want to. Yeah, man. 100%. Crush it, brother. Crush it. Is being up 700 this week good? Awesome, bro. Mate, you've made profit, which 90% of people fail to do. Ignoring can't be that fun. What do you mean? That comment makes me want to not reply to you even more. But no, I'm not on evals. I'm on funded accounts, bro. Gold is better than NQ. Yeah, I mean, today it's been NQ, right? Yo, guys on TikTok, head over to my YouTube. Joe Trades on YouTube. Head over and subscribe to me there. Because we're live on there now. You can see my full screen and execution. Just type in this. Type in Joe Trades on YouTube and go and subscribe and go and watch my YouTube there. You can watch the full screen and the execution of the trades as well. All right. Right, let's see. Gold now. I'm not touching gold now. Gold's taking highs. Let's see if we can get this break below. Break below in 2 minutes and then I can sell. Sell Nasdaq down. All right. All right, Goldie. Once you hit your 5-day profit on Lucid, would you take straight away and try build on it? I would personally. It depends what you were, where you are in your trading journey. I mean, if you're profitable like me, I like to take big payouts. You know, like I've been profitable with prop firms or like in trading in general for like 3 years almost now. So like I have my last payout was like $730, I know, but my ones before that were like 5,000, 2,500, 2,000. But I know that I can sort of build them and get big payouts. If you're sort of like haven't had that feeling of a payout, just take it. That's what I think anyway. But it's always up to you. It's always up to you. Da, 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 da. Right, if we can close like here and top wick, I'm gonna sell. If we close on the level or above it, I'm done for done for the week. Done for the week. Week's done. Money's been made. Ticks have been smashed. 3. Yeah, guys, that's me. That's me. Yeah, instant push down as well. Yeah, guys, peace out. Much love. Guys on YouTube, I've uploaded another YouTube video here. Go and check it out. Go and check out the YouTube video. I've just uploaded it. How I made $5,730 trading a simple strategy. Go and drop a comment. Guys, go and smash the like and smash a comment on these videos, these YouTube videos, because it shows me to make more of them, okay? On the TikTok, head over to Joe. Guys, if you're on the TikTok, head over to Joe Trades on YouTube and watch my recent. Go and watch my recent YouTube video. I uploaded it 2 hours ago. Okay. Peace out. Much love to you all there. But yeah, it's been a great week, guys. Trade safe. I'm personally done. I've taken about 9 trades this week. 1 small loss, 6 wins, a couple of break evens, which has been good. But yeah, guys, I appreciate it. Go and watch the new video. Drop a like, drop a comment. If you've got any questions, stick it in the comments there of that link that I've just put in. And as always, have a great weekend. Seriously, guys, I'm personally done. Probably not going to touch another trade. See you on Monday, same time, US session live. Let's crush it, everyone. Peace out. Bye-bye.